In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time blocking in Notion. Time blocking is a simple planning method where you assign specific chunks of your day to focused tasks. Notion makes this especially effective by giving you a structured space to plan, track, and adjust your schedule as your week unfolds. We'll build this quickly using a ready-made template so you can get working right away. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. This gives you a clean canvas for your planner. Give the page a clear name so you can spot it easily later, something like time blocking or weekly schedule. A descriptive title helps when you're juggling multiple pages and want to jump straight into your plan. With your new page open, head to the bottom and click Templates. This opens Notion's template browser, which is the fastest way to add a complete time blocking setup without building it from scratch. Inside the browser, make sure you're on the templates section so you're seeing the full library of options. Use the search bar and type time blocking. This narrows the gallery to layouts designed for allocating time to tasks or routines. You'll notice different styles. Some use calendars, others use boards or tables. Hover over a few and open their previews to see the structure and whether it fits your planning style. Next, browse and select a free template. Look for ones marked as free and skim the description to understand how it organizes blocks, days, and tasks. If a template shows weekly and daily views plus a place for priorities, that's a strong starting point. When you found one you like, open its page to confirm the preview matches what you want. Click Add to bring the template into your workspace. Notion will add it to your new page, so you can start right away. You should now see the full layout populated with example sections that you can tailor to your routine. From here, edit the time blocking template to fit your life. Replace any example tasks with your real priorities and adjust the time ranges to reflect your work hours, breaks, and personal commitments. Rename sections to match your days or themes and fine-tune properties like tags, status, or duration if they're included. If the template has multiple views, such as a calendar and a board, switch between them to plan at a high level and then drill into specific days. Keep your blocks realistic, leave a little buffer for overruns, and group similar tasks together to reduce context switching. As your week evolves, drag items to new blocks and update statuses so your plan stays accurate and useful. That's it. Your time blocking system in Notion is ready to go.